Khalil. I'm at Plainfield Summer Camp. We are at the aquarium right now. I hope to see like the biggest shark in the world. I like going on field trips because it's nice. They really don't have to do it for us, but they do it.
I'm Christine Boyle. I work here at the Adventure Aquarium in Camden at the waterfront. I think kids learn to explore different things that they don't normally on a daily basis. I think that it's really cool to see things through like a kid's point of view. It's out of the classroom, you know, so you're learning about all different types of wildlife, fish. I mean, we even have hippos here. It's not even just aqua life, so I think it's kind of cool. Some of the attractions we have are the hippos. It's called Hippo Haven. We also have the stingrays. You get to feed them. We have the penguins outside, of course. They're really cool. And a lot of people think, well, why are they outside? Because, you know, penguins are usually in the Arctic. These ones are different. I know they're from Africa, so they like the heat. So that's pretty cool. And then we also have our Touch a Shark. I always thought that was really cool when I was younger. Like you could say, I touch a shark today. Who does that on a daily basis, you know? And we have a crocodile. That's kind of cool. I think that's cool. And then we have our kids zone, which has tanks that are eye level for younger kids. So that's kind of cool. That's a little interactive. Yeah, and then we have our 4D theater, which is a little different from the normal fish that you see. So if you get a chance, I would check it out.
Trips like this, it positively affects the kids because they get a chance to see things that they're not used to seeing. And it just gets them more exposed to different things, and maybe they might find an interest in something other than what they may be used to. Some things in the aquarium you just don't see in regular ponds and waters and stuff like that, so the aquarium just makes it a better environment to be more exposed to wild sea life opposed to captive sea life.